Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log into your Printful seller account in just a few clicks. Whether you're a new user or have been with Printful for a while, this quick tutorial will ensure you can access your account effortlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Printful website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Printful website by typing in www.printful.com in the address bar and pressing Enter. Step 2. Locate the Login button. Once the Printful homepage loads, look for the Login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your credentials. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Printful account in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. Make sure to double-check for any typing errors to avoid login issues. Step 4. Click on the Login button. After entering your credentials, click on the green Login button to access your account. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your Printful dashboard. Step 5. Troubleshooting login issues, if needed. If you face any issues signing in, check if caps lock is on or if you've entered the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Remember, keeping your account information secure is important. Always log out of your account when using public or shared devices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.